Charging problems with your Oral-B IO toothbrush are surprisingly common, affecting many users within the first 12 to 18 months of ownership. The Oral-B IO uses a sophisticated magnetic charging dock system that requires proper alignment between the toothbrush and charging base. The first step in diagnosing charging issues is a thorough visual inspection. Check both the charging dock and toothbrush base for any physical damage, cracks, or debris. Next, verify that your power source is working correctly. Test the wall outlet with another device and ensure the power adapter is properly connected to the charging dock. One of the most effective solutions is cleaning the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol. This removes mineral deposits and debris that can interfere with the charging connection. Finally, proper alignment is crucial for the magnetic charging system to work effectively. The toothbrush must be correctly positioned on the charging dock for the magnetic contacts to connect properly. These diagnostic steps will help identify the most common charging issues with your Oral-B IO. If these basic troubleshooting methods don't resolve the problem, more advanced techniques may be needed. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve charging issues, try a battery reset procedure. This can help restore proper communication between the toothbrush and charging dock. Temperature plays a crucial role in charging performance. Ensure your toothbrush charges in an environment between 32 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. For severely corroded charging contacts, you'll need more aggressive cleaning methods. Use fine grit sandpaper to gently remove corrosion, then apply dielectric grease to prevent future problems. Regular maintenance is key to preventing charging issues. Follow a simple schedule: weekly cleaning with a dry cloth, and monthly deep cleaning with alcohol. Finally, proper storage significantly extends your toothbrush's lifespan. Store it in a low humidity environment, avoid bathroom storage when possible, and use a surge protector for the charging dock.